Virus creation process. I started working on my next project Virus on January 25th, 6 days after the showing of my previous project Car Crash. Virus project is about what it feels like to be imprisoned in my home country, Ukraine, where I was born and raised. I think this message resonates with many people in my country, but many will not understand what it's like to be limited in freedom for 2.5 years against your will. There is no hyperbole in my project. What I have written and shown is my true feelings. Day by day, my hope and strength are diminishing, and I don't know what would have happened without the support of my family and friends. I just want to leave this place, be at peace and forget these missing years like a terrible dream. Well, let's get into the process of creating. The first thing I did was the cage model that my alter ego was in. Then I tried different ways to create a fully rigged version of my alter ego, with body and face. The first method was Face Builder from Keen Tools. Then I tried to rig my head model. It was a useful experience, but I didn't like the result, so I decided to try FaceGen Artist Pro 3 and DAZ 3D. I didn't like the result either and was lucky to find a video by Promptmuse showing the Hyperhuman Chat Avatar, an AI that creates a body and fully rigged face from photos of a person. So I uploaded my photos and got my alter ego avatar. Then I used Octocore AccuRig software to fully rig the body of my avatar. I changed the color of the skin to white and replaced the texture of the eyes with a photo of my own. The white body color and the word virus on my alter ego's forehead is a symbol of insignificance and just a human resource in my country. The next step was to animate my character's rig. I also tried several ways. First using Rococo Vision Studio with a paper-printed checkerboard pattern and a calibration marker. But the result was not good, so I decided to use the Move One app to capture body movement. Finally, I was left with the facial movements. This stage was the easiest, but the eye movement and looking into the camera had to be done by myself, and it took a lot of time. The final step was waiting 12 days to render all the animation.